this our first camping trip started from South London straight up to Scotland. Hold up. So before starting this video, I'm gonna tell you guys this was my first camping trip, like in our caravan, and I'm not a good vlogger, okay? I haven't done any vlogging or anything, so this is the first experience. I know I have done a lot of mistakes in there, but I try my best. Listen, I have to try, like, I have to start from somewhere. Damn, that was good. Yeah, I had to try from somewhere, so this was my starting point, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe the video, and if there's any feedback from you guys, I would really appreciate them. So enjoy the video. Yeah, so it was a long whole night journey, and when we reached up Highlands, like up North Scotland near Cairngorm mountain range or national park, the view was amazing up there. Trust me, it was amazing. It's already like 12 in the afternoon. We reached here around 12. The campsite is really good. That they got all kind of those activities like food spaces. They got quad bikes, clay shooting, archery, and everything. So this is like this place in, I know how to pronounce it, I might be wrong. It's like Cairngorm or Cairngorm, the mountain area. So in there they got whole kind of stuff, quite a lot of activity, which is really nice. We grabbed some stuff to visit, like some distilleries, whiskeys, and mountain, and hopefully today or tomorrow we're gonna do the clay pigeon shooting. Yeah, this place is actually really nice. It's really, I was really looking forward for the snow, like, but unfortunately there's no snow, and they think they're gonna get snow like starting of the New Year's, like around 1st or 2nd, but still it's quite nice. They got this place to eat, they got the food places, spaces to eat, or you can just take the food to your caravan or your campsite. Yeah, this place is actually really nice, to be honest. I'm looking forward for the activities, and I will share everything with you guys, so stay tuned for everything. So currently it's 10:52 and we're almost ready to go to the Cairngorm mountain. It's actually called Cairngorm. So everything's ready. It's raining a little bit, but hopefully it stops. The ski resort is completely full. Unfortunately, we were planning to do some skiing, but it's not, so we're gonna do hiking and stuff. Let's see. And now we're ready to go. Everything's packed. Then see you guys on top up there. So this is the ski resort of Cairngorm. When I flew there, currently using fake snow because there's no snow yet. The snow is gonna start. The next snowfall is next year, like New Year's. This whole area is fully booked, unfortunately. Plus, the weather is not great. It's raining a lot since this morning. Not since last night it was raining. Yeah, quite nice place. I will try to make a drone shot of that if I could, but the weather is not really good. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the place. So currently we just came to a market. There's a town near to the campsite, More. Like a lot of shops here, so you can just park your car, roam around, walk around, grab something to eat. They got fish and chip shops, some more restaurants, and quite a lot of stuff. Like if you needed anything to buy, they got most of like mountain gear stuff, like North Face big jackets, skis. If you need any mountain gear, you can easily grab them here. They got plenty of stuff here. The weather is okay, not that cold. Yeah, good to enjoy. It's a bit windy, but still, it's great. So they even got a restaurant, food restaurant. It is like their specialty is like Thai food. Quite good. You can grab some like noodles, rice, and quite a lot of other stuff if you're like looking for Thai cuisine. Plus, the place looks really good during the night time. You got that hut which got a wood stove, wood heater inside there, like small mountain huts, and there's another shop here. This one does like mostly fast food and stuff. Good sitting plan with outdoor heaters and stuff. Quite nice place.
Yeah, okay.